Bonjour! Welcome to our channel Learn with Safaa. Apprenons le français. Let's learn French. Today we are going to learn the different ways to say "How are you?" in French. Are you ready? Let's start. Comment ça va? How are you? We use it when we're talking to someone we know well. Comment ça va? How are you? Ça va? How are you? Ça va? How are you? Comment allez-vous? How are you? We use it when we talk to someone we don't know well or at all. In French, we use vous when talking to someone we don't know, or older, or with a higher status at work. It is called vouvoiement, and it is how we show respect. So, vous refers to second person plural or to singular when it's vouvoiement situation. Comment allez-vous? How are you? Comment vas-tu? How are you? Comment vas-tu? How are you? Now, let's see how to answer these questions. Ça va? Fine. Ça va très bien. Very well. Ça va bien, merci. Fine, thank you. Ça va mal. Not well. Ça va pas mal. Not bad. Ça va comme ci comme ça. Neither good nor bad. Congratulations! We have completed our lesson today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for more videos. Au revoir! À bientôt! Goodbye! See you soon!